Okay, back over here at Henry's house.
Oh my god.
Doing hood rat shit. On the hood rat Camaro.
It's fun to do bad things.
Yeah. We got a draggy now, so we're dangerous. We can test anywhere, anytime. Sponsored by Miller Lite. I wish.
Dude,
Can't
that is copyright infringement.
Yeah. Be back. She hit me. So, we've got it somewhat ready. Gonna be going to XRP on Sunday. We're gonna stay as long as we can. I can't stay forever because, you know, I gotta get the kids and get them in bed because they got school in the morning. But we're gonna go out there, we're gonna make some passes. Hopefully we can get some races in. See you there.